In this video, I'm going to do a ride-along mowing demo. This is a 2020 Simplicity Courier. I'm going to mount the GoPro to my hat, do a little mowing around the shed. I've got a couple real bumpy spots that I want to go over. Now we've only had rain once in the last 16 days, so the ground is very hard. So I figured it's a good day for a demo so you guys can kind of ride along with me and watch how my body shakes and moves. Maybe you could probably see the suspension because if you have a rough yard, this thing takes out a lot of the jarring bumps that you're going to feel on a traditional mower. So we'll mount the GoPro, go along for a mow. Alright, so I went over mostly the bumpiest part of my yard so you guys can see how much maybe I shake, or maybe you can see the suspension moving. But this part of my yard, there's a lot more over here, but it used to just beat the crap out of me on my Simplicity Legacy. And this thing mows much faster, probably about the same as far as noise, but much more comfortable. So hopefully you learned something from this video. And I thank you guys for watching.